Make a great choice today with the 2016 BMW 4 Series. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.